Our Shay Smith joins us now with more from the victim's family.
The Supreme Court's ruling in the Castro Huerta case led to today's hearing.
She didn't do anything, she wasn't out breaking law. She wasn't anything. She was 100% innocent.
Herring was one of 4 people convicted of crimes related to the death of Jeannie Blaylock. At the time of the crime, Herring was 14 years old. In 2018, he pled guilty to first-degree murder, second-degree burglary, and possession of a stolen vehicle and firearm charge, and was sentenced to life as a youthful offender. Then, in January of this year, Herring was sentenced to life in prison in the Department of Corrections as an adult. But in 2020, the Supreme Court ruled in the McGirt case, if a suspect, victim, or both were Native American, the state of Oklahoma could not be involved in the prosecution. And in this case, the victim, Blaylock, was a tribal citizen of the Muskogee Creek Nation.
A convicted murderer came onto tribal land and murdered my mom, got a conviction of life, and then could have been let out. And for how long? That blew our mind.
Herring's attorney filed a motion to withdraw his plea.
But of course, at that point, we knew that the Castro Huerta case was up and pending in front of the Supreme Court. We anticipated oral argument in April and a decision in June, which is what happened. And so Judge Keeley's been holding on to this case just to wait to see what the United States Supreme Court said.
Last week, the Supreme Court ruled in that Castro Huerta case.
Huerta was very clear from the United States Supreme Court that in a case like this, when you have a non-native defendant and a native victim, that the state of Oklahoma has concurrent jurisdiction on that case.
SCOTUS's decision means the life sentence stands.
To see this like today, what a great win. And I'm very thankful for the Supreme Court, very thankful for Tulsa that the ruling was in their hands and that this was pretty much done.
This is the first case the district attorney's office has handled since the Castro Huerta decision. Tribal leaders said they disagree with that decision, but Blaylock's family says the ruling helped close a difficult chapter for them.
They do their time. They go where they cannot hurt anyone else. They cannot be a menace to society at any point, and that justice has been served here, finally.
The district attorney's office says they anticipate a number of cases being sent back to the state from the federal government. The DA's office says as they move forward, cases like this will be referred to them instead of the feds. Shay Smith, 2 News Oklahoma.